In India's Delhi NCR region, the Delhi Metro has been serving as a lifeline for the past 23 years. On this very day in 2002, former Prime Minister Bharat Ratna Atal Bihari Vajpayee inaugurated the Delhi Metro, making commuting in the capital easier. Under the leadership of Prime Minister Modi, the Delhi Metro has witnessed rapid expansion over the past 11 years. Take a look at this report.
December 24, 2002, a small beginning for urban mobility in New Delhi. Former Prime Minister Bharat Ratna Atal Bihari Vajpayee cut the red ribbon, and New Delhi, along with the country, was gifted a dream racing towards the future, the Delhi Metro. From Shahdara to Tis Hazari, just 8.4 kilometers of track and only 6 stations. That day, no one imagined that this modest start would one day turn into one of the world's biggest urban transport success stories. But the real momentum, the real expansion of the metro came over the past 11 years. In 2014, when Prime Minister Narendra Modi took charge of the country, Delhi Metro's length stood at 194 kilometers, with about 140 stations across 6 lines. And today, in 2025, the Delhi Metro has become a massive 352-kilometer network with 257 stations and a web of 10 color-coded lines connecting Delhi with Noida, Ghaziabad, Gurugram, Faridabad and Bahadurgarh. While the metro network has doubled over the past 11 years, it now carries an average of around 6.7 million passengers daily. In 2013-14, this figure was just 2.2 million. The expansion of the Delhi Metro has emerged as a model for the nation.
आज देश में आधुनिक इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर निर्माण का महायज्ञ चल रहा है। 2014 तक सिर्फ 5 शहरों में मेट्रो की सुविधा थी। आज 21 शहरों में मेट्रो है। ये सभी विकास कार्य विकसित भारत के उस रोड मैप का हिस्सा है जो आज हर देशवासी के लिए एक मिशन बन चुका है।
During PM Modi's tenure, Phase 3 expansion of the Delhi Metro began, bringing several major changes. In 2017, the Magenta line was launched from Janakpuri West to Botanical Garden. This is India's first driverless metro line. Then, in 2018, the Pink line from Majlis Park to Shiv Vihar was started. With a length of 59 kilometers, it is the longest line of the Delhi Metro. The Grey Line began operations in 2019, stretching 4.3 kilometers from Dwarka to Najafgarh and was extended to Dhansa bus stand in 2021. The Violet Line and Red Line were also expanded. But the Modi government's plans did not stop there. Under Phase 4, 103 kilometers of new lines and 83 new stations will be added by 2029.
आज हर कोई ये सुनकर गर्व करता है कि दुनिया का तीसरा सबसे बड़ा मेट्रो नेटवर्क अब भारत में है। 2014 से पहले देश में सिर्फ 250 किलोमीटर ही मेट्रो रूट था। आज देश में मेट्रो रूट 1000 किलोमीटर से भी ज्यादा का हो गया है।
As the Delhi Metro moves towards nearly 450 kilometers by 2030, one thing is clear. Under the leadership of Prime Minister Narendra Modi, it is no longer just a transport system. It has become the heartbeat of a developed India, where every station tells a story of progress and every journey is a new leap towards the future. Bureau Report, DD India.